This VEVOR spot welder dent puller delivers strong 3 kilowatt performance that makes straightening steel body panels noticeably faster and more consistent than using basic pullers or hammers. The inclusion of 2 separate welding guns lets you keep different studs ready to go, which really speeds up work on panels with a mix of shallow and deep dents. 7 preset welding programs and a clearly laid out control panel make it approachable for experienced technicians as well as careful do-it-yourself users. Being able to switch between automatic and manual welding modes gives you both quick production-style pulling on large creases and fine control on delicate contour lines. The kit arrives with a well-thought-out selection of accessories in its own toolbox, so you can handle most common automotive dent situations without hunting for extra parts. Despite its solid build and power, the unit is compact with a practical carry handle, making it easy to move around a home garage or professional workshop.